Hi everyone, behind me is my 1988 Chevy Camaro that I've been restoring for the last 2 years or so. Wanted to start a series so everyone could follow along if they wanted to. This winter is mainly the undercarriage of the car. Going to be doing new fuel lines, new brake lines, new suspension components, coilovers, trying to get this car into a resto mod. So follow me, follow along to the series, and I will see you later. So when I did the big brake upgrade, you have to chop off the spindle ears that held on the original caliper. And when I did it, I rushed. I didn't paint these, so these are all rusted, need to get cleaned up. But these holes, you need to drill and tap out the original size to the new, I believe they are M12 for at least this one, maybe M10 for this one. But this bracket is from BigBrakeUpgrade.com. That goes there and holds on the LS1 caliper. The spindle's gonna get powder coated. I'll probably do this as well, make it look nice. Black, silver, let me know your thoughts. Let's take off the hub now, then we can get the strut and the shock out. Let's do it. These hubs on the Camaro are made up of an inner bearing, an outer bearing, the washer, castle nut, and the cotter pin. So let's take that all apart. These billet hubs from Big Brake Upgrade were specifically machined to use the 1LE bigger outer bearings. Bigger bearing, more bearing surface, less heat. So let's take it apart. Okay, so we have the hub off, wheel seal right there, like the yellowish seal on the outside, the inner bearing, the 1LE outer bearing here, dust cap, the washer, castle nut, and cotter pin. realized I didn't record any of this. 21 millimeter nut, 10 millimeter socket on the strut itself, like that, and then a open end 21 millimeter wrench on the nut. All right, now that we have the strut out, spring compressor has been in. We just want to make sure that it is tight. And then we're gonna lower this jack slowly and carefully. Hopefully nothing happens. All right, well, A-arm is all the way down. The spring will not come out. It appears to be stuck on the A-arm, maybe rusted together.
So handsome, oh, you have your way, and it's making me weaken. You and your stardust, walking like that. It's really getting too much, but I can't pull back. Though I try to resist, I can't fight.
Ta-da! I don't know how I got so messy, but whatever. Driver's side, everything's out. I need to remove the tie rod and the sway bar, but I gotta clean up the wheel well first. Grind it down, put new seam sealer everywhere. Refurbish this plastic cover, because that's pretty messed up. I didn't take the caster camber plates out yet. I will, but I will need to paint under here. Because you can see it's black under there and it's gonna look like garbage with the new ones. I didn't film the passenger side, but that's done too. That was much easier. And here's everything. Yeah, so I will be uploading a shorter version on TikTok, longer version on YouTube. You guys want to follow along, follow, subscribe, like, it'd be great. Thanks, guys.